Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to install Sublime Text on macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. For that, simply open any browser, search for Sublime Text and open the link from sublimetext.com. Now here click on download option and select your operating system. And it will download it. Don't worry about the download link. I'll provide the download link in the description box. Once done, simply open it. Here click on open. Here we have Sublime Text interface. Let me minimize the browser. Here we get change log. If you want to read, you can read it, or else you can simply close the window. And here we have the Sublime Text editor. If you want, you can also pin it to dock. For that, right click on Sublime Text. Here click on options and click on keeping dock. From here, you can easily access Sublime Text editor. So that's for this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.